Carly OBD2 scanner is the worst Carly OBD2 scanner is worst OBD2 scanner on the planet. So I have tested a lot of OBD2 scanners. Just to show you some of Bluetooth ones, I put them here on this table. And compared to Carly, which is by the way the most expensive on this table, when I take cheapest one, this is $3 adapter, and it can do more than Carly with their high subscription. Other than bad value for money, they will straight up gives you false promises of what this tool can do, even though it cannot. That we will show on real car. And worst part is that they are literally trying to scam you. Let me show you example. So when you go on Carly website and you hit buy now, it will ask you for your car make and state. So let's say I want it for my Audi and I am from US, and right now I have two choices, either basic for €90 or $90. So $90 just for this adapter without their premium plan, $90, and later I will show you how useless this adapter is. Or you can buy premium, which could be able to unlock some features and do used car check, should be able. You will see later that that is not really the case. For $110, okay, but there isn't any subscription. Okay, so I want premium, and then I got option to expand my software for all brands, so not only for Audi, but if I pay this $33 more, I will have it for all brands. So that seems like pretty good deal. Advanced OBD2 scanner for every brand for about $140–150. Check this out, here is price, so 109 plus $36, so about $150. Oh, here is total $145. And there is not anything about subscription, but when you go here in very small text, Carly licenses are an annual subscription. So if you bought this, you probably will not notice this, but this $145 you will have to pay every year. And actually I bought this with premium subscription back in 2022, and I also have no idea I am buying yearly subscription. I thought I'm just paying for lifetime use for every brand. And back in 2022 I made a review about this adapter on my website iamkarakia.com, and if you check out comments for these past 2 years, check this out. One comment: I agree with this blog, Carly indeed is useless piece of shit, it cannot be used with other software, has monthly subscription, blah blah. Another comment: everything I tried to code with Carly, I got message back. Unfortunately coding has failed. Don't forget they don't have cancel subscription button and force you to open ticket. I sent emails to cancel and they still charged me and would not give me refund. Here is one guy that is satisfied. I use Carly on BMWs, it satisfies my need. I mean, if it is your first scanner, you don't know what you should get for this kind of money. And if you want to get good deal for your money, then I suggest you visit link in description. On my website there is full buyer's guide for any type of scanner, whether it is Bluetooth, professional tool, whether you want to buy by budget or by brand. Everything is categorized and you will find list of best scanners for every category. Link in description. But let's get back to some of these comments. Another guy, very shady practice. I agree with everyone's experience. And also what this guy is saying, if you buy premium version of Carly, you are paying only for subscription, and Carly is so good that will give you adapter for free. But why they do this? Because if you open up and you will see that it's completely shit, you will try to refund, but they say you cannot refund software and adapter was free, so you can send them adapter back, but they will not give you any refund. So that's why you are getting adapter for free. I will not read you all of these comments, but apart that one guy, everyone shares same opinion, and that Carly is shady and useless scanner. But let me connect it to my car and we can check it out, what it can do now. Carly adapter has the worst value for money spent from all OBD2 scanners I have tried, and that is more than 100 tools in past 2-3 years. Check this out. Now I have Carly connected to my Fabia, and this is their free plan. I don't have subscription anymore. And basically only options you have is diagnostics. I don't want to do it again, I just did it. I wait like for 10 minutes to scan all modules, but then it won't give you faults. It just says that report was sent to your email, but I didn't receive anything. So it cannot even read code, so you won't be even able to read why you have check engine light. And apparently it doesn't even know I have some problem in engine, because here it says engine good. You can read some live data, but you cannot see live data graphs, so only very basic text values. So Carly cannot do, without subscription you cannot do anything. And remember that for adapter you already have to pay like $60 or $70. Funny thing is that if you buy adapter like this I bought on AliExpress for literally $3, and paired with free car scanner app you can download from App Store, you can actually read codes offline. You don't have to internet, you don't have to input email address, you can read it with app. You can read live data, display them in form of graphs. Also it will actually display more live data than Carly. And then you can also do a bunch of extra things like see readiness monitors, do data logs, or display live data on your car's radio. All of that just for $3. Or then you can spend anywhere from $40 to $80, so same price range like Carly adapter, and buy bidirectional scanner. Either this Conway K-Diac, this has little limiting vehicle coverage, but I bet it is still better than Carly. Or you can buy Kingball and A-Diac with better coverage, and both of these scanners are bidirectional, so instead of what Carly does, they allow you to work with any control module, read data, clear codes, do bidirectional testing for any component in that module. So for the same price you pay, you can get about 10 times more functionality if you go with a different adapter than Carly. Or you can pay 20 times less than for Carly and still have better functionality. So why are people buying this scanner? Well, apart from false advertising, it got two features that can be very attractive for someone that is looking to buy OBD2 scanner, and that is coding. So unlocking hidden features. Now this should display me coding for this car, but it will not allow me to do that because I don't have subscription. But let's check what we can modify. Oh, this function is not available for the current car, so I cannot even code anything. Despite I know that I can code stuff here, because with OBD11 I get about 10 to 15 changes I can do with ECU coding. So it is possible, but it isn't possible with Carly. And then second thing, they say Carly can do used car check and detect mileage fraud. With free version I just tried this mileage check, so it will tell you to wait like a couple of minutes and it will send report to your email. Now this email actually came, unlike the email for DTCs or fault codes, and this is email your free used car report. Okay, so this is just ad for Carly, activate license, but I can see report, very useful report. Let me show you. Okay, it says my car has 0 kilometers, but my VIN number is consistent, whatever that means, and mileage values are consistent, so no manipulation detected. Now, couple years back, let me show you, I tried Carly used car check for car with actually adjusted odometer. Check this out, I actually made YouTube video about it, but basically what I did, I had car, you can see 291,000 kilometers on dashboard. 1,000 kilometers on the dashboard, but the car actually was driven from... But car was rolled back, and with other scanner, with OBD11 and also a bunch of other scanners I have tried, in car's data I was able to find this value of 460,000 kilometers. So with better scanner like Carly, I was actually able to find proof of odometer rollback. So technically, their used car check should be able to detect that as well. But when I tried, let me show you. This is it. I tried making used car check with Carly. They actually gave me better report than what I showed you before, but back then I had subscription. But in that report, it says no manipulation detected, and it says that mileage detected is 291,000. So same what we had on odometer, but even though there is record of higher mileage, Carly cannot detect it. So Carly used car check feature is completely useless. Using free version to scan codes, read data, find out why you have check engine light, none of that works. Adapter is completely useless. This is the worst OBD2 scanner I have ever tried. Only thing when you buy subscription is you will get access to coding. Well, you might get access. We saw right now on my old Fabia that it didn't work, even though it should. But I know that it works for some models. However, with price you pay for full features, you will pay 150 euro every year. But if you want to code some things for your car, what you can do is take your cheap ELM adapter, buy 1 month of Carista app, it will be $10, and in that month you can do unlimited coding. Then before month is over, you will disable subscription, so you will pay only $10, but all customizations you do in that 1 month will still work. You don't need to continue paying subscription. Or then instead of paying really expensive subscription, 150 for 1 year, so in 2 years you will pay 300 euro. And for that money you can have something like this that not only comes with full diagnostic features, it can also do ECU coding, so unlock the hidden features. And with this one it actually works, and it is 300, I bought it for 320 euro. So exactly what would you pay for 2 years of using Carly? And comparing these two, this is like McLaren P1 versus Fiat Multipla. Not even Fiat Multipla. I seriously cannot think about one car model that would be as bad as this scanner is compared to all other ones. So this scanner is not worth buying. Which scanners are? I have full buyer's guide on my website. Whether you need scanner in certain budget, you want to buy certain type of scanner, or you are looking for one specific for your brand, everything is categorized that, and link will be in description.